Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this interesting example again as part of coordinate geometry and straight lines. The intercepts on the straight line y equal to mx by the lines y equal to 2 and y equal to 6 is less than 5. Then what are the values of m, or what is the range of what is actually the interval which satisfies this particular condition, and what are the values of those m. The intercepts on the straight line y equal to mx by the lines y equal to 2 and y equal to 6 is less than 5. Now can we say what are the coordinates of a and b so that I can apply the distance formula? Think about that. What can be the coordinates of a comma b? We know that if y equal to 2, throughout the line value will be 2 only. So I know that the y coordinate in the first case for a it is 2 and for b it is 6. Now these 2 points are part of y equal to mx line. So x will be nothing but equal to y by m, or can I say 2 by m here, and this point is nothing but 6 by m. I hope it's clear to you. We know that y coordinates are 2 comma 6 for a comma b because they respectively points. A is a point of intersection of y equal to 2 and also y equal to mx. So y equal to 2, if you substitute, you get x equal to 2 by m. Similarly, point B is point of intersection of y equal to 6 and y equal to mx. So the point there coordinates are 6 by m comma 6. Now it's very simple. We have been told that AB is less than 5. So we have to do little bit of distance formula we will be applying here. What is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is equal to distance square. Now suppose I say this is distance, then x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square equal to d square. We know here d is equal to 5. So now our condition is it has to be less than d square. So we'll just write down that. We know x1, y1, x2, y2. Here are our x1, y1, and we also have x2, y2. So let's apply the formula, whatever we have just written here. x2 minus x1, that is 4 by m whole square plus 4 square is less than 25. Or can I simplify that and say 16 by m square is less than 16 plus 16 is less than 25. 16 by m square plus 16 is less than 25. Or can I say that 16 by m square is less than 9, or m square is greater than 16 by 9? We can do that. 16 by m square is less than 9. So 16 is less than 9m square, or 9m square is greater than 16, or m square is greater than 16 by 9. Now m square is greater than 16 by 9. We have to see which range, in which interval of the real numbers will satisfy that. So we'll put down here minus infinity, infinity. Now m square equal to 16 by 9. So the important points for us is one is minus 4 by 3 and the other point is 4 by 3. So the total number system, real numbers, number line is divided into 3 intervals. One is minus infinity to minus 4 by 3. Next is minus 4 by 3 to 4 by 3. Next to 4 by 3 to infinity. As usual, we'll check for value where 0 is there, that interval. M equal to 0. 0 is not greater than 16 by 9. That means that particular interval is false. This interval is false, and this is satisfying the condition automatically. This one is also satisfying the condition. So the values of m will be nothing but minus infinity to minus 4 by 3 union again 4 by 3 to infinity. because we know that between minus 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 this particular condition is not satisfied. Suppose I take m equal to 4 by n is 4 by 3 or 4 by 3. 16 by 9 is not greater than 16 by 9. That's why minus 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 are taken. Any values between these two will not satisfy this condition, but you go outside, all those values will satisfy this particular condition. M square is greater than 16 by 9. So the values of m are basically m belongs to the interval minus infinity to minus 4 by 3 and also union of 4 by 3 to infinity. Let's recap this. We have been given that the intercepts on the straight line y equal to mx by the lines y equal to 2 and y equal to 6 is less than 5. Then what are the values of m? So y equal to 2, y equal to 6 are intersecting with y equal to mx respectively. So let the points be a comma b. Then we know that a coordinates are 2 by m comma 2 and b coordinates are 6 by m comma 6. We can easily find out the distance between them by using the distance formula, and we say that this should be less than equal to, this should be less than the distance 5 units. So substitute that x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square is less than d square. We get m square value is greater than 16 by 9. That means m will not be true. M will not be in the interval minus 4 by 3 to 4 by 3. Other than that, total number system or the whole interval real numbers are okay, satisfying this particular condition. So our answer is minus infinity to minus 4 by 3 union 4 by 3 to infinity. That's another interesting example which is asked in 2013 mains. So let me check, is it 2013 or 14? This is also another question which is asked in 2014 mains. So 2014 mains question, which is interesting and also relatively easy also. So we'll do some more interesting example in the coming session. Thanks for your time and support. Bye for now.